Experiencing issues with your Rogers Mastercard? You're not alone. Many users have reported problems with tap, chip, and online payments. The most frequent issues stem from firmware conflicts, particularly after Rogers updates and network timeouts. First, check your card status in the Rogers app or My Rogers portal to ensure it's active and not blocked due to suspected fraud. For tap issues, make sure your card is within 4 to 5 centimeters of the reader and that the terminal supports contactless payments. Try a different terminal to rule out reader incompatibility, a common problem with older POS systems. Online payment failures often result from poor internet connectivity or outdated browser caches. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try a different browser. Ensure two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled for added security, which can prevent fraud-related blocks. If problems persist, a card reset via the Rogers app is often effective. If none of these steps work, contact Rogers support at 1-800-ROGERS for manual reactivation or card replacement if physical damage is suspected. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Rogers Mastercard issues, consider these advanced solutions. First, delete and re-add your card to your banking app, especially after a SIM card update, as this can resolve sync issues. Since Rogers operates as both a telecom and financial issuer, integration complexities can arise. Experts recommend prioritizing API stability over feature expansions. Keep your Rogers app updated to the latest version to benefit from firmware patches, such as version 2.1.4, which resolved many tap issues. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven diagnostics in payment apps to automate troubleshooting, potentially reducing the need for manual intervention. Biometric authentication, like fingerprint taps, is expected to become more prevalent, enhancing security. Rogers is also investing in blockchain-based security layers for online payments to combat rising online payment fraud. Monitor Rogers community boards and forums for updates and shared solutions from other users. While challenges like cybersecurity threats remain, proactive user education and continuous improvements to Rogers systems promise increased reliability in the future. If the issues persist, consider switching to another credit card company to remedy the problems that Rogers is having.